Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's super nice. It's only got about 50 miles on it. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Parking sensors, all the extras, navigation, heated seats, beautiful shape. Google Assistant, beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the front bumpers in outstanding shape, beautiful condition, looks very nice. Take a look at the grille and the lights, amazing condition. Super nice shape. It's brand new. It is brand new. Headlamp on the driver's side, beautiful shape also. Hood's in outstanding condition, not a mark on it. Really outstanding shape, looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, outstanding shape. Passenger side door, also in beautiful condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in amazing shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition throughout. Taking a look at the rear hatch and the lights. This body style changed completely. It's in beautiful shape. Really nice upgrades on this one. Looks amazing. Rear glass is in beautiful condition. Rear bumpers in outstanding shape. Parking sensors in the rear. Very nice. A lot of safety features on this one. Looks amazing. All right, take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition. Super clean throughout, not a mark on it. Very nice. Driver door, also in beautiful condition, not a mark on it. Looks super clean. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Let's take a quick look at the windshield. Windshield's in amazing shape, not a mark on it. Looks beautiful throughout. Very nice condition. Super clean. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof's in amazing shape. Very nice condition. Didn't notice it had a tiny little dent right there. See it? Tiny little dent right there. It's not even noticeable, but it's there. Really outstanding shape. Okay, that's pretty much our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice shape, really outstanding condition. Take a look at the driver's seat, really beautiful shape, very nice. Clean throughout, amazing condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks brand new, really outstanding shape. Full set of floor mats, really in outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in amazing shape, look at that. Armrest is in beautiful condition. A little bit of storage on the door. Take a look at the driver's seat, amazing shape. Looks super nice, clean throughout, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Really nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear driver door panel. Driver door panel is in beautiful condition in the rear. Looks amazing, very nice shape. Take a look at the seat. Seat's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, really outstanding condition. Super clean. Take a look here. It's got a couple USBs and vents for the rear. Full set of floor mats, really amazing condition all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, look at that. Beautiful shape throughout, look at that. Armrest, beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seat, beautiful shape, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, very nice shape. Take a look at the liner on this one, looks brand new, very nice condition, super clean. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT model. Gonna go ahead and start it up. This one has a push button start. Check out the key fob right here. Original GM. We're gonna set it down here in the cup holder. We're gonna press the brake and press the start button. So here we go. Has a beautiful display. The cluster and also the screen is amazing. Super nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. This one has 57 miles. It's brand new. Really amazing condition. I apologize about a little bit of the reflection here, but these screens are so shiny that you can reflect everything on them. All right, so this is really nice. It has the hour, the date, temperature outside, compass there on the corner top, RPMs, miles per hour, showing you the radio station there that's on, what gear it's in. Super nice. Miles till empty right there. Very nice. Let me accelerate if you can see the RPMs. Look at that, how cool that is. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge. Super nice. Really nice. All right, so there's the controls here for the wipers, front and rear. This is the controller for the transmission. So to put it in drive, you press it down. To put it in park, you press this button here. For reverse, you put it up there. And for neutral, you just push it forward like this. That's it. So we'll leave it in park for now. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So the cruise controls right here. This is the gap adjustment here for the collision detection in the front. So you can set up the different distance. So we'll leave it further away is better. Okay, so there you have the cruise control there. These are all the controls here for the radio, for the information center we just went through there. Super nice. Okay, over here on this side is the parking brake. This is the engine bypass in case you don't want the engine to cut off. The auto hold, and this is the dimmer for the dash. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Steering wheel's leather wrap, looks amazing. Look at this, super nice. Nice accents here with the chrome, looks beautiful. All right, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Dash is in beautiful condition, take a look. Brand new, not a mark on it, very nice. Screens are in beautiful shape. They still have the little plastics on them, as you can see there. This one and this one have the plastic on it, so whoever buys it will be able to take that off. That's also why it has such a glare on it. Okay, so let's take a look at the AC controls. So we have here, there's the fan control, there's a temperature control here, and then inside here you can see all the different buttons for the heated seats, for the vents, and for the AC on and off. Down below here has a little tray here, USBs down there. It's got a little pocket here, store stuff, another pocket here, cup holders, super nice. Armrest is in amazing condition. It's got a large storage compartment here with a little tray. That's super nice. Up above here, we have the courtesy lights and we have the OnStar vanity mirrors with lights. Very nice condition. All right, let's see what else we have here. Inside here we have the window sticker. We got the window sticker for this one. We're gonna take pictures of it and show it on our ad. But this one brand new, $29,995. Look at that. Okay, so it's got a little cargo net in here, brand new. It's got a couple of books here. Let me see. This is what we have on the books. Super nice. So we'll take pictures of all that stuff. Dashboard looks amazing once again. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner's in amazing shape, looks very nice. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Super impressive. Okay, that's pretty much it on the interior here. Oh, it also has shifters here on the steering wheel. You can shift, if you put it on the manual setting, you could actually shift the speed from there. Paddle shifter, that's what they're called. So that's super nice. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for the test drive here. Here we go. We already have it in gear. We're all set. Beautiful display. I mean, that cluster's so nice. Vehicle feels super quick, really nice. Drives amazing. All right, I'm gonna make a left turn here. Super sweet. Super nice. There's so many features. I mean, get to a light here for a second. Take a quick look at the dash. Dash is in beautiful condition. Looks so nice. Really amazing shape. It's got the Google Assistant. Super comfortable. Okay, we're on our way again. Here we go. Nice acceleration, beautiful display. Super nice. So quick turnaround. Very nice. What a great drive. Got another light here. Okay, we're all set, ready to go again. Next step here, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera with those rear parking sensors, and then that will conclude our test drive. But as you can see, it drives super smooth. Everything's fully functional, no issues at all. Really nice drive. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna find a little spot where we can check out our backup camera and our parking sensors. Let's go ahead and check out our backup camera here. Here we go. I'm going to place it in reverse. And we'll start backing up here. Here we go. It's a beautiful screen. So nice. And it has the lines there on the screen letting you know which way you're going to roll back when you go back. Another plus on this one, it does have the rear parking sensors. So as you get close, it actually vibrates. Your seat vibrates, the driver's seat vibrates, and then you get this little display here. So that's super nice. So you got parking sensors with a vibrating seat, and I guess you could adjust it to also make noise, but definitely super nice. So it starts vibrating. It'll wake you up when you're backing up here. If you're gonna hit something, it'll vibrate on the seat right away. All right, so that's pretty much our test drive. Stay tuned, we're gonna take a look at the engine, tires, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. We're taking a look at the cargo area on this one. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Look at the rugs on this one, looks brand new. Very nice condition. Take a look below here, a little bit of storage there, and then below that we have our spare tire with all the tools. Beautiful condition, very nice. Super clean. Okay, so we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and outstanding shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Take a close look here. Amazing condition. Looks brand new up here. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition, brand new tire. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Amazing shape. Okay, now we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition, looks beautiful. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that, amazing condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.